both legs straight. A little open legs and move your legs. Move your knees up and down. Legs closer, toes point. Flex your feet, toes point first. Flex your feet, toes point. Flex your feet. Once again, toes point, and then flex your feet. Now make a rotation, ankle rotation. Your legs straight and lock your knee. Anti-clockwise, opposite rotation. Relax, just flex your toes. Some another gentle warm up. Your left leg put on your right upper thigh. And very slowly push your left knee down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Relax. Your right leg put on the left upper thigh. Same, very slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Relax your right leg. Bend your left leg under your hip, knee closer, and then just your spine straight. Gapchan Chai, Thamchan 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Relax your left leg step by step. Right leg under your hip, knee closer, and spine straight. Anybody has a knee problem, please avoid bending knee, bending posture. Down and down, Kochan down, so Khongkan Gapchan. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Good. Relax your right leg. Come in the butterfly. Your feet together, Thanglum, and swing your both knee together. Spine straight. Put your palm on the knee and slowly push your both knee down. 1, 2, 3, slowly 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Hidlaw and Thaza, then Hui Suam, bend down, spine straight, Thanglu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Good. Come back. Gapchan, bend your both legs. Hands behind hip, high thigh sound mount. Inhale, open your shoulder, lift up your spine and literally just look up, strengthening your neck. Inhale, come back. Exhale, squeeze, suck your belly and look down. Again, inhale, lift up your spine. Exhale, drop shoulder and look up, opening shoulder, upper back. Inhale, come back. Exhale, just squeeze, suck your belly and look down. And now relax. Your both palm side of your hip. We go with a core strength pose very gently. Drop shoulder, little push the spine back, and then high chan lane and flex your feet. Just in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Good. Gapchan, chan swung. Bend your legs, legs down. Again, high thigh sound more, hands behind me. Inhale, open shoulder. Exhale this time. Lift your hip in the table posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Good. Inhale. Exhale, slowly push your hip down. Put your both arms front. Opposite board pose. Go to the long south spine back. And then high chin lane, both legs up. Anybody has a down back pain, so high thigh swing, arms down. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. High chin swing, legs down, and then high thigh lane, both arms up. Thumb chin, legs straight. Hip bow, inhale and exhale, then Ui Swan bend down. Just try to hold your feet, you can hold your big toes. Inhale, once again, both arms up, hip bow, high thigh lane, themotlam, and exhale, then thumbs up, Ui Swan, bend down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Relax everyone. Bend your left leg and your left foot with your right inner thigh. We go another forward fold pose. Hip bow, high thigh lane, both arms up, and thumbs up. Exhale, bend down. Hold your right foot and flex your right foot. Once again, inhale, both arms up. Exhale, bend down. Hold your right foot and flex your right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Good. Inhale, both arms up, and exhale, then relax your both arms. Bend your left leg. We'll go in the twisting. Tai Chi Sao, left hand behind hip, and drop your right elbow on your left knee. Spine straight, and then twist, look back. 1, just do it very gentle. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Good. Come back. Hold your left foot with your both hands. Make sure your spine straight, thumb low, chan chai lane, left leg up, and after try to pull your leg to your side where you feel comfortable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Put your left leg on your right upper thigh in the half lotus. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, bend down, Ui Swan, and say, try to hold your right foot. Once again, Themotlam. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, bend down, hold your right foot and flex your right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, then relax your arms. Cross your leg again, twist it. Left hand behind hip. Drop your right elbow on the left knee. Spine straight, push your hip down, twist, and then just look back. 1, focus more on your breathing. Tap chum the, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Relax and come back. We'll go the one more practice. Now try to keep your both knee and line in a one line. Just from here, simply bend down, Kuiswan, and put your both arms down. Good. You can also drop your head down. Give a little push on your upper leg, on your left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Relax it. Come back. From here, just keep your left leg straight. The same sequence will follow another side. Your right foot with your left inner thigh. Thang chan chan. Hit wow, hai tai lin. Thauza, kui suam, bend down. Hold your left foot and flex your left foot. Hit wow, hai tai lin. Themotlam. Thauza, kui suam, bend down. Hold your left foot and flex your left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Hit wow, hai tai lin, and thauza, then hai tai suam. Bend your right leg, drop your left elbow on the right knee, and then twist, look back. Gapchan 5. Gapchan 5. Gapchan 5. 1, yes. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Just relax. Come back. Hai tai nam ko Gapchan 5. Hold your right foot. Thumb look spine straight. And then lift your right leg up. Inhale and exhale. Pull your leg into your side. Take it very, very gently, especially in the morning time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Good. Your right leg put on your left upper thigh. Hit wow, hai tai lin, both arms up. Exhale, bend down, kui suam. Hold your left foot and flex your left foot. Themotlan, once again. Hit wow, hai tai lin, and thauza. Exhale, kui suam, bend down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Hit wow, hai tai lin, and thauza, then hai tai suam. The next again twisting, cross your left leg with the right leg. Thang chan chai, your left leg straight, and drop your left elbow on the right knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Now take the cow pose position. Your both knee align in a one line. Yes. And Tatka, kui suam, bend down. Anybody has a knee problem, so they please take care. It will affect your your lower body, your hip, your legs, your pelvic region. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Relax. Good. Tatka, thang chan. Keep your legs straight and then just relax your both legs. We'll go the next. Bend your left leg and your right leg straight on the right side. Another very gentle sequence. Spine straight, thumb loop, and then jang tai, open arms. Inhale and exhale. Drop your right hand down. Left arm straight over the head. Just stay. Maintain your shoulder aligned. 1, breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax. Your right hand on the back, left hand up. Inhale, stretch your arm and exhale, bend on the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, relax. Now high thigh leg, both arms up. Chuk thigh, down thigh, finger long or palm facing up. Inhale, exhale again, bend on the right side. Thumb thigh thumb, your arms straight, your spine straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Very good. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on the right side. High thigh, Nam Ko Ban Chan 5. Hold your right foot and flex your right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Very good. Come on, come back. So, other side, change your leg. Left leg straight on the left side. Same sequence. Open arms, inhale, exhale, drop your left hand down and right arm straight over the head. Focus more to push your lower back inside so that your spine will be straight. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, relax. Tai Chi Sao Lung, Tai Phi Lane. Inhale, stretch your right arm and exhale, bend on the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hip bow, come back, thumbs are relaxed. Now high thigh leg, both arms up. Chuk thigh, down thigh, finger lock. Inhale and exhale. Once again, Hemodala, Dian Chai, bend on the left side. 1, give the maximum extension on the left side. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale and exhale, turn on the left side. High thigh, Nam Ko Ban Chan Chai. Hold your left foot. 1, normal breathing. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Very good. Come back. Tatkal Thamchan, your legs straight. We'll go few repetitions in the twisting. Jump thigh, open arms. Inhale, exhale, Sang Chai, turn on the left side. Keep it very gentle. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on the right side, Sang Phi. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on the left side, second round. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on the right. Focus more on your breath. One more round. Inhale, exhale, turn on the left side. And now just stay. 1, Hobo Bong Swan. 2, stomach in, push your hip down. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. hip bow and pause turn on your right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Hit bow, come back. Thumbs up, push up, bend down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Relax. Come in the meow meow pose. Cat pose. And in the cat pose, we'll go the another variation. Everybody drop your both elbow. But make sure your elbow to shoulder align. Khong same thing. Just maintain your elbow to shoulder align. And shoulder wide. Try to be lift up. Hip, mong, south, and nin thumb. Good. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And from here, tatka chan chai lane your left leg up. Nin thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now tie phi leg, your right hand up. 1, left shoulder up. Look front. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Gap chan chai and tie phi go chan chai. Bend your left leg and hold with your right hand your left ankle. 1, look front. 2, left shoulder up. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Very good. Chan suam, tai suam. Relax first. And from here we'll come in the extended child pose. Same position, just thumb tie, and then drop your head down. Just take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Once again, cup tie, drop your elbow, wide shoulder up, and now chan phi leg. Your right leg up. Nin thumb, look front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Tai chai leg, your left hand up, strong arm, strong shoulder. 1, balance. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gap chan phi, bend your right leg, and namko chan phi. Hold your right ankle with the left hand. Lift up, leg, knee thumb, look front. 1, strong shoulder. 2, 3, leg, 5, 4, and now 6. Very good. Relax your neck, your head. And then we'll learn extended child pose. Everybody, thumb tie. Good. You can drop your forehead, you can drop your chest. Just stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Tatka downward facing dog. Thumb tie, thumb turn, and then thumb low. Press your palm, press your heel, your arm straight, your spine straight, your leg straight. Chan chai leg, some salutation rounds. Chan chai chuak, left leg in between your arms. Knee thumb, look front. A little push your hip down, mochu bong swam. Chan chai sao, left leg back in the plank position. Look front, knee thumb. Mochu bong swam. Monk swan. Ashtanga Namaskar. Drop your knee down, bend your elbow. Gaptai, downward swan, and Mojut Mongne. Hit bow, upward dog. Thang tai violin. Your arms straight, lift your shoulder and look up. Thumbs up, downward facing dog. Thang tai, thang chen, thang long. Chan Phai Lane, your right leg up. Chan Phai Chuak, right leg in between your arms. Monk swan, hip down, look front. Now Chan Chai Chuak, left leg front. Kui swan, bend down with a forward fold. Hip bow, high thigh leg, both arms up. Inhale. Exhale, bend back just a little. Inhale, come back. Exhale, Kui swan, bend down. Chan Phai Lui Sao, your right leg back. Monk swan, hip down, look front. Plank pose, inhale, look front, lean thang. Ashtanga Namaskar, exhale. Drop your knee, bend your elbow. Inhale, upward dog, hip bow. Thang tai violin, in lane. Exhale, downward dog. Now Chan Phai Chuak, right leg in between arms. Monk swan, hip down. Chan Chai Chuak, left leg front. Kui swan, bend down, thang chen, leg straight. Hit bow, high thigh leg, both arms up, inhale. Exhale, bend back, just a little arch. Inhale, come back. Exhale, Kui swan, bend down. Third round, Lung Ba. Chan Phai Lui Sao, you right leg back. Hip down. Plank pose, hip bow, look front, lean thang. Ashtanga Namaskar, bend your elbow, drop your knee, drop your chest. Inhale, upward dog, lift your shoulder, chest in between arms, look up. Downward dog, exhale, your legs straight, spine straight, arms straight. Right leg in between arms, Chan Phai Chuak. Chan Chai Chuak, hit bow, thumbs up, Kui swan, bend down. Inhale, both arms up, high thigh leg. Thumbs up, bend back. Inhale, come back. Exhale, Kui swan, bend down. Chan Phai Lui Sao, the fourth round. Lung bone. Plank pose, hip bow, lean thang, look front. Ashtanga Namaskar, thumbs up. Upward dog, hip bow, focus more on your breath. Thumbs up, downward dog. Chan Phai Chuak, right leg in between arms. Chan Chai Chuak, hit bow, thumbs up, Kui swan, bend down. Hit bow, high thigh leg, both arms up, inhale. Exhale, bend back. Inhale, come back. Now finger lock or palm together. Exhale, bend on the left side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend on the right side, DL5. Hit bow, come back. The Bodlan, Thauza, Gyan Chai. Hit bow, come back. And Thauza, Gyan 5. koi swam, bend down. Hold your ankle, you can. Gapchan Mochuk Mong swam, a little bend legs, hip down. And in the chair pose, inhale, both arms up, look up. Thauza Thamchan Koi swam, legs straight, bend down. Chân Phai Lui Sao, your right leg back. Now Chân Phai Sumau, drop your right knee down. Hit wow, inhale, both arms up, palm together. Exhale, high thigh swam, relax your hands. Second time, lung high, hit wow, high thigh leg. Thighs are bent back a little. Hit wow, come back. Tatka chuk thigh, palm together. And drop your right elbow on the left knee in the twist. And then thigh swam. Relax your hands. Plank pose, hit wow, Chan Chai Sao. Ling thumb look front. Ashtang Namaskar, Thauza. Exhale. Hit wow, upward dog. Inhale, lift your shoulder, look up. Exhale, downward facing dog. Chan Phai Chua, right leg in between arms. From Chan Chai Swam, drop your left knee down. Hit wow, high thigh leg, both arms up. Thauza, high thigh swam, 2-2. Lung high, hit wow, high thigh leg. Thauza, then bend back. Inhale, come back. Exhale, thigh swam. And now twist. Drop your left elbow on the right knee. Relax, thigh swam. Chan Chai Chuak, your left leg front. Hit wow, Thauza Koi swam. Now again we come in the chair pose. Gapchan Mong swam. Knee aligned with your toes. Inhale, both arms up. Just look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Good thumb check, your legs straight. Koi swam, back down. And now the last round, Chan Phai Lui Sao, your right leg back. Chan Phai Swam, drop your right knee down. Same sequence, you will hold, hit wow, high thigh leg, and look up. Your arms straight, your spine straight. 1, 2, yes. 3, 4, 5, 6. Hit wow. Thauza thigh swam first. Lung high. Hit wow. High thigh leg, both arms up. And Thauza. Then bend back. Just a little. Inhale, exhale, continuous. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, come back. Now we come in the twist. Drop your right elbow on the left knee. All together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Thigh swam. Tatka downward facing dog. Thang thigh, thang chan, thang low. Have a few deep breathing. Everybody inhale, hit wow. Thauza, exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. And then exhale. Good. Right leg in between your arms. Chan Phai Chuak. Drop your left knee down. Chan Chai Swam. Same. Inhale, both arms up, high thigh leg, chop thigh, palm together and look up. 1, little push your hip down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, exhale, thigh swap, relax first. Once again, inhale, both arms up. Exhale, then bend back. 1, just a little. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale and exhale. Now twisting. Left elbow drop on the right knee and palm together. Maintain the shoulder line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Thigh swung and downward facing dog. Everybody once again. Everybody hit wow. Inhale and thumbs up. Exhale. Hit wow and thumbs up. Once again, hit wow and then thumbs up. Come in the child pose, relaxation for a few seconds. Child pose, child pose, child pose, child pose. Yes, yes, child pose, relax. Yes, monk's walk, relax it, relax, relax. You can little open your knee. Now everybody in Namgoa, lie down with your back. Got high jump and om high jump. Bend your legs, hug your knees. Press your knee to the chest. To give stretch to your lower back. Jump tight, open your arms, and now chai phi. Drop your knee, left, right side. Just for a few minutes. Your legs straight. A little open legs. Mochu Jamcha. Thumbs on thigh. Relax your arms and palm facing up. Just for the deep relaxation for a few minutes. No tightness and no any kind of movement. Just totally loose and relax. You roll the body muscles. Normal breathing and just relax. Just relax.